Yeah.
I'm going to take Alex and Jason to the scene of Prague. And then, one day, I'll play fish in a spot for 13. It's got 26,000 miles on it.
Watch your toes, kid. Watch your toes, kid.
Which is why it undergoes such rigorous inspections to meet our uncompromised standards.
One day I'm going to drive this to baby.
Hurry into your own Mercedes-Benz dealer for 1.99% financing during our certified pre-owned sales event.
What do you do? Just let him run up her foot and stand there?
He's not afraid of it anymore.
He's afraid of the vacuum cleaner, though. Go figure.